diggy diggy dum dum, diggy diggy doom.
Here is Mr. Cat, whose hobbies are quite unusual.
Dum dum, diggy diggy dum, doom.
Today, his eyes fell on a poor little turtle.
The cat looked at the turtle's shell and had a wicked idea.
Dam dam dam, diggy diggy dam dam dam.
He defeated the turtle and took off its shell.
Dum dum, diggy diggy dum dum.
Within minutes, he turned the shell into a stylish outfit. Just then, two young boys appeared, stunned by the sight.
Wait, is the cat really wearing a turtle shell? Yeah. Looks like she's ready for a fashion show.
The cat's new fashion made the boys burst into laughter.
Diggy diggy dum dum, diggy diggy dum.
And that's how the turtle's shell became the cat's fashion statement.
Dum dum, diggy diggy dum dum.
The story ends, but the cat's fashion show is not over yet.